Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 2 of our tutorial on making a viral scary story video with AI. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, just click the link in the description to learn how to get the images and voiceover from Gemini. Okay, let's get started. First, let's put everything together using CapCut. Just open your CapCut and then create new projects and then import the image and then import all the images we downloaded from Gemini like this. And then don't forget to import the audio voiceover you recorded earlier. Just tap on audio and then extract like this, and then just tidy up the audio like this. And next, just match the durations, adjust its image so it lines up perfectly with the voiceover narrations. And then next, let's add some motions to make the video more engaging. You can use keyframes for this. Just tap keyframes and then adjust the positions and size of the image. Just adjust as you like. And then you can also add effects. Just tap on effects and then just choose effect that you like. For example like this. Then go to objects and all videos.
Blackwood Manor stood
like this, and then make sure repeat this step for each clip to create that spooky cinematic feels. For example like this. And then next, let's add captions, and then choose auto captions, and then just choose templates or styles that you want. For example, I will choose this one, and then just choose language that you use on your story like this. And after that, just hit generate. And once you have done, just preview the video and your video will look like this.
Blackwood Manor stood on the hill like a crooked tooth against the evening sky. Its windows were dark, vacant eyes. They say a girl named Alara disappeared in there 100 years ago, Leo whispered, his voice full of mischief. I dare you to spend one night inside with me. Maya hugged her arms to her chest, the chill in the air having nothing to do with the weather. The dare felt as heavy as the iron gate they stood before. She glanced from Leo's eager face to the dark silhouette of the house. Fine, she said, her voice smaller than she wanted. But if...
Okay, like this. Next, you can just continue your next part until your story. And okay, that's how you create a scary story video with AI and CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.